Hello everyone, my name is SIDHU N and I am studying third semester from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In today's video, we will be going to learn about analysis of covariance. Now we'll see the introduction of analysis of covariance. Analysis of covariance or ANACOVA is a powerful statistical tool used to compare group means while accounting for variability. It extends the capability of ANOVA by allowing for control of extraneous variables. ANACOVA is particularly useful in research settings and experimental designs. Now we'll see the definition and the purpose of analysis of covariance. First, the precise statistical tools. ANACOVA is used to analyze the difference between the mean of two or more groups while taking into account the influence of the covariates. Second is the control of the extraneous variables. Its purpose is to assess whether there is any significant difference between the mean of the group when considering the influence of the covariates. Third is an enhanced data interpretation. It enables more precise interpretation of a group difference by accounting for effects of a potential confounding variable. Now we'll see the assumptions of analysis of covariance. First is the homogeneity of regression slopes. One of the key assumptions is that the association between the dependent variables and the covariates is consistent across all groups. Second is the normality of residuals. The residuals should follow a normal distribution for each group, ensuring that the statistical tests are valid. Third is the independence of observation. It is crucial that the observation within and between the groups are independent and are similar to each other to avoid the biased results. Next, the steps involved in the conducting analysis of covariation are: first is data collection, next is covariate identification, the third step is a model specification, and the fourth one is the interpretation of results. Now we'll see the interpretation of results in analysis of covariance. First is the effect size estimation. ANACOVA provides insights into the magnitude of difference between group mean and considering the influence of the covariance. Adjusting of the group means this result allows for the comparison of group means after counting for the effects of covariates, providing a more accurate assessment. Third is an identification of significant relationships. It helps in identifying whether the covariates significantly affects the relation between the independent and the dependent variables. Next are the advantages and the limitations of analysis of covariation. Advantages are precise interpretation of group differences, control of confounding variables, and the third one is enhanced statistical power. The limitations of analysis of covariance are assumption of covariant independence, requirement of covariant measurement, and the third one is challenges in covariant adjustment. Here are a few examples of which analysis of covariance are used in the industries. First is the medical research, used to compare treatment outcomes while controlling for the baseline characteristics and other relevant variables. Second, used in psychological studies, applied to assess group difference, accounting for potential confounders such as age, gender, or intelligence. Third one, it is used in the educational field or educational assessment, utilized to evaluate the effectiveness of the educational intervention while using it for a good purpose and also to maximize the capacity of the input given by the faculty or the teachers and to achieve the high heights in the educational field. Till now, we have seen what is analysis of covariance or ANACOVA. Now we'll see the common challenges and considerations in analysis of covariance. First, the covariance selection. Choosing the appropriate covariance that effectively adjust for the confining variables is crucial for accurate results. Second is an assumption validation. Ensuring that the underlying assumption of ANACOVA, such as normality and homogeneity of regression slopes, are met and are equal so that it doesn't cause any future problems while solving a particular problem or a situation. Third is an interpretation complexity. Managing the complexity of a result and effectively communicating the adjusted findings to non-technical audience. Now we'll see how the ANACOVA is compared to the other old school statistical techniques. First, compare it with the ANACOV. Distinguishing the ANACOVA with ANACOV is accounting for covariance compared to the traditional ANACOV model. Second, differentiating for regression analysis, highlighting the distinct focus of ANACOVA on comparing group means while controlling for covariance versus the prediction of an outcome in the regression. Constrained with the multivariate analysis, clarifying how ANACOVA differs from multivariate analysis in considering only one dependent variable while adjusting for a covariate. Till now, we have seen what is ANACOVA or analysis of covariance and advantages, limitations, and how are they used in the real-time application and what are the key advantages compared to the other naturally used statistical forms. Now we'll see the key takeaways from the analysis of covariance. First, the effective group comparison. ANACOVA allows for more accurate assessment of group difference by adjusting for the effects of covariance. Second, in the control of confounding variables, it offers a valuable approach to control the influence of the extraneous variable, leading to more robust research findings. And the third one is the enhanced data interruption. ANACOVA facilitates a more pneumatic interruption of the statistical form and influences of the covariance into the group comparison. So that is a conclusion and key takeaways from the analysis of covariation. And I hope so you understood what are the main factors and why we should run covariance as an important topic. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.